about how can you look out of your account on your Wearfit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. And then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to set up, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on account and security, just click on it here. So then you just click here on permanent logout, you just click on it here. Click here on confirm to permanently log out the account, just click on it. Then it's going to log out with you on your Wearfit app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us.